The second workshop that I did was on implant removal. This was also just incredible. So, what this is about is going into your energy body and removing implants that have been stuck in different parts of you. And since Bhavya assists ma'am, it's also very useful because Bhavya can actually see where the implants are and see them being removed from your energy body. So it's a very clear way to check what's happening with you, whether the implants are being removed. This also changed my life very gradually over time. I can see, because when the implants are inside you, they make you feel low, they make you feel like unnecessarily stuck. And as you become more aware of what they are and as they leave you, it's like things start opening up for you, especially for my throat chakra. The day we had done the throat chakra implant removals, it was like a flood of love and creativity just flowing into me. And I felt so much more confident to express myself. I remember thanking Neelam ma'am so much that day. So that also was very helpful for me. That was the second workshop that I did. The third workshop that I did was this Akashic sessions. So Neelam ma'am also does these Akashic sessions where ma'am and Bhavya will look into your Akashic records and answer some questions that you have. So I had a few questions that I had sent in to ma'am, and ma'am was able to open the Akashic records and give me answers to those questions, which, as I say that already, I feel like that's such a gift, because it's so rare for somebody to get access to that much clarity and direction in their lives in such a very obvious, real, foolproof way. And I was able to get that from the Akashic Records session, which I had done. It only took 2 days, and I had to do very little. All I had to do was send in the questions, and I got answers that gave me so much hope and direction in my life. And I would urge anybody who feels lost, who feels like they need some direction, to really check that out. Especially if you're already on the spiritual path, it can really help you. That really helped me very, very much. And I'd also done, I'm currently doing an angel session with ma'am, where every day increasingly I'm feeling more and more connected to angels. I'm calling angels for every little thing in my life, and I see the effects of this every day in my art, in the things that I'm doing, in my mood. You know, I was so happy today, and that's why I decided to make this reel all of a sudden, because it just occurred to me out of the blue. I was thinking about making it, but I was just so happy I thought I could get it done just like that. So yeah, I'm doing this also, and of course I also did these meditation sessions which address each chakra separately. Even the implant sessions do, but this session is different. This workshop is different, where each chakra is addressed and cleansed and energized. I've been doing this also, and I've been coupling this meditation with my manifestation meditations, and they've been helping me very, very much. Especially for me, when the heart chakra opens up, life just becomes so much more magical for me. I'm able to do so many things. I'm able to express myself. I'm able to do everything that I love. Yeah, so just wanted to make this quick reel to say thank you. Thank you to Neelam ma'am, and thank you to Bhavya. And if you're a spiritual person and you're looking for something, for a foolproof workshop that does these things for you, and a committed teacher, like Neelam ma'am is a very committed teacher. She's easily available on call, always responds to every question, even if I ask the same question 10, 20 times, especially with the chakra workshop videos. I wasn't able to access them. I'd asked ma'am so many times for access, and ma'am was very patient, and she's also given me very very direct, very specific guidance for me in my life, what I need to do, what changes I need to make in my life, what different meditations I can do, where my blocks are in my chakras, how I can address those. So that's one of the most beautiful things about ma'am, is that as she's gotten to know me better, she's able to honestly and with dedication say exactly what I need to do. And she also checks up on me and checks if I've done it, and it's a very friendly back and forth that we have now. And yeah, it's like something that constantly, it's a very hopeful reminder in my life that the universe is looking out for me through teachers like ma'am, and I'm very, very grateful for it. I would urge anybody who's interested to check it out.